welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. It's one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. They've got underway here pretty promptly.
Steven Gerrard is capable of taking a game by the scruff of the neck and anywhere he wants after that.
One way or another, he'll contribute to the scoring of a goal.
Yeah, and when the going gets tough, tough seems to come easy for him.
No, that's not the ball he wanted. Gerrard brings the ball forward. Decent looking ball. Roberto Carlos. Cruyff. And here's Torres. Now short, he's had a goal! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. And it's Inzaghi. Gerrard. It's Maradona! Huge strike, quite an alarm. Clearly not what he wanted to do. Gerrard looking to penetrate opposition line. Shot a goal! Goal! Bayern Munich! And Bayern Munich take the lead! Oh, no goalkeeper would keep that out. It really was a bullet.
Is it just me, or did he make that look very, very easy? That was terrific skill and composure from him. Finished with such a club.
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Iniesta tries to get it forward quickly. Referee's had a good look and given a corner. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Fernando Torres. De Ligt. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. And here's Maradona, done very well to intervene. The referee's had a look, he's blown his whistle for half-time. So there you have it, no small part of football, still had its moments, ultimately produced just one goal. Start of the second half. Bayern Munich carrying a 1-goal lead. And the finish! Oh, denied brilliantly!
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Receives and shapes to shoot! Gerrard. Filippo Inzaghi. Yeah. Cruyff. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Gerrard. He's picked him out. Oh, it's Inzaghi. He gets past his man. Inzaghi has a goal! Inzaghi looking sharp there. they win it back again. Cuts it out. Messi. Oh, it's Inzaghi. He came in hard, very hard.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Cut out in the nick of time. Scholes, and it's played forward. Messi.
Well, decisiveness has deserted them, Peter. They need precision, and it's sadly action.
He goes long.
Bayern Munich are looking to make this one safe. They want to reduce the risk.
He's got away. Oh, that's a fine challenge.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed. But will they?
And here's Inzaghi.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. And you would probably say it's too far out for a shot. That was travelling. Just brushed off the ball there.
Yeah.
And here's Inzaghi. Cleared without complication. And time is up. Bayern Munich, hold on. It's a narrow squeak, bit of luck, some judgment. 1-0 the score at the final whistle. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Yeah, clean sheets and hard grind will help you go places, and they have a resolve that'll end